Introducing the VIOFO A229 Plus, the world's first dual-channel dashcam featuring Sony STARVIS 2 sensors, front and rear. Capture crystal-clear 2K HDR footage with 2.5 times better dynamic range and light sensitivity, even in low-light or night conditions. No more blurry plates or lost details, day or night. With dual 1440p recording at up to 60 frames per second, every moment is recorded in stunning clarity and true-to-life color. Enjoy hands-free voice control with 12 smart commands like Take Photo, Lock Video, or Show Rear Camera, all without taking your eyes off the road. The built-in quad-mode GPS tracks your location, speed, and time using GPS, Beidou, Galileo, and GLONASS for precise data you can trust. Need fast access? The upgraded 5 GHz Wi-Fi lets you preview, download, and manage your footage quickly from the VIOFO app. Plus, with 24/7 parking protection, choose from 3 intelligent modes: motion detection, time-lapse, or low bitrate recording, all while your car is parked. The A229 Plus. Smarter, safer, sharper. Your ultimate driving companion.